If your GMC Acadia is refusing to turn over, don't panic. Most of these starting issues follow a very specific pattern. Statistically, almost half of all no-start conditions on this platform are caused by a weak or dead battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your engine is staying silent. Start with the basics by verifying the shifter position and checking the battery terminals for any loose connections or corrosion. Listen closely when you turn the key because the specific sound of the click tells you exactly where the power is stopping. If the motor cranks but won't catch, check if the security light is flashing or if the fuel pump is failing to prime. While battery issues are easy DIY fixes, a dead fuel pump or internal engine damage will require a professional shop. This chart shows that over 70% of Acadia starting problems are limited to the battery and the starter motor. If you suspect the starter is stuck, tapping it gently while someone turns the key can sometimes get you home. Keep these 3 tools in your trunk to ensure you're never stranded by a simple electrical glitch. Remember, a slow crank is a warning sign. Replace that aging battery before it fails completely. Hopefully these steps got your Acadia running again. Stay safe and hit subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.